They have matic. And matic means that they have matic. M-A-T-I-C. Well, we came up with a solution. The one we can call the secretary leaf. Yeah. You boil and spray because the chemical is very expensive. They call it the maticide. But to get it, now you say they got to order it and off. The purple leaf too. Oh, we can do our own solution, but nobody there. Like the Dahoma.
There is a swamp. Upper part, in the lower part of the swamp.
This is the lower side of the swamp. Yes, it's lovely. The lower part of the swamp. This side. Yeah. But where we up already is the upper part. We don't want to start from the boundary. And we'll be coming down bit by bit until we can reach the end.
And the whole pit was brushed before, since September.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so you see all the grass are growing by again.
You know, sometimes it's good for the bosses to come on their feet. Let's start from our place. Then we'll come down. So let's start from the boundary. Yeah. Let's start from us. I want to be here for today. That's what we're thinking. Yeah. Keep monitoring. You carry on in violation like any nothing. Yeah. So my problem is that we're talking now. They are saying that they have. That's usually like they will tell me somewhere to go do some more in and eat there. I'll just do more in there. I'm going to see again. I'm going to get it where I go hard. I don't know what different position yet. I don't know what on every. And we are in.
Well, they clear the whole place out. We got plenty of rough on the boundary straight down. We'll reach to that swamp.
So I'm about to use it.
I think get some book and stuff out here.
First point I show you. Yeah. Come here. Supervisor for this one. Here, we start your ball rolling.
Okay. You can see the side is brushing from this end. All the way to up. You see when you notice, the part is one is a little bit smaller, right? So we decided when we reach that point a little bit, open it, I think as we walk, we see the opening point. Yeah. So after the brushing was done, we decided to do like burning.
Yeah. Don't get it, woman, yo. The baby, yeah, but up here.
So the essence of the burning, well, when you're doing the de-storming, you're able to see the necessary storm, you know, to be able to de-storm this type of pottery. And we also observe the iron. There's a serious concentration of iron here. Yeah, we started from that group. Yeah. So you know what they call iron?
Woman, a scientist.
You want to know, all right.
Sack.
What they show you,
Saki.
the country people can call it one crab people. But they're not crab people, they're reaching at the iron in the swamp because of the hill and the hill. So when the iron, when the rain fall and the iron leaves the hill and meet with the water, then our people can call it iron toxicity. So the iron toxicity is in the swamp. So there are specific varieties that we can grow here with a certain condition. And then you look at this place is narrow. But we need to control this water to be able to get water year round. So we have to build something here that they call the hair dock. We have to build a hair dock. If possible, we will build a pool here to store water. That is, if we do our inspection and we find a source of the water where it's sitting, then we will do our own pool here to control the water to come down. So then when it comes to the layout of this place, after we are getting the two peripheral canal and getting the main canal, we will lay this one out according to the landscape. Because you find out when we go down there, you see some area, the land came all the way in the swamp. So looking at that condition now to say that we want to bust it and carry the peripheral canal straight down, then it means that we will not make it farm this year. So what we have to do, or what we plan to do, is for us to escape all the highland that came into the swamp. So if we're supposed to get 1 hectare here, or 1.5 hectare, based upon the interfering of the highland into the swamp, we will not get that. We will not get that. And this place will be laid out into segments. Like for instance, from this point to the next point over there, we will lay this sign off. Then we do the design over there. By the grace of God, I know the next time before you come here, you can see different things. We'll do the design over there. When we go to another point again, we'll do another design until we can catch the water area down there where we are above now to go. So that the work that going on here, but we're going down there. The 10 men are working in the swamp, you're going to see their work down there. And one of the things we want you while walking, we're talking. Like I told the operation manager before, I'm going to discuss it with the farm or the manager. I told him that this work, we that been on the field doing this work, there is something we call operation phone. We need it for the swamp. And I told him, if he was going to give me operation phone, before he go and come back, he will see different things. They bought 2 bottles of pastis. That 2 bottles of pastis there within 2 days time. The men left on the field until 6 o'clock before they could go home. They get an extra zeal. Sometimes people kind of want to do daily contract, but we are not having money on him. As soon as you finish, we pay you. So we have to tell them, no, you will go. When anything, we will get to you later. So these are some of the things too that are holding us. So that's what you say.
Okay, well, sometimes, no problem for the daily worker. I think just to do some form. As you see,
Mobile phone.
yeah. Maybe someone might just walking say, oh yes, today I want to work. Yeah. I'll work on that.
So like what he was saying, the reason if we were not going to burn this
But
place,
there's one swimmer.
that's one. That's one. This is those storm and thing. If we are not going to burn, the grass can cover this. You will not see it. The time for lay up again, you have to do digging in the process of laying up the swamp. So we have to burn the place to see all of the storm. So that will go down there and you go see what the human being doing there.
You see the water, you know that water there. Right up there, you see water. What is he? You say, oh, man, it's fun. It's fun, oh, man, it's fun. It's fun. It's fun. Get you waiting. If I get behind me, it's fun. I just got out of here, son.
Water all over there. So the swamp is coming like this, it will drop here, then I go this way and push it down that way before we cut the. So this work was done from Monday to yesterday, Saturday. So we could not force them to come today because I'm not small thing. So we told them to rest.
How many days people have spent in the distance?
In a disturbing, we started Monday.
6 days. From Monday to Saturday.
The reason you found us going like this, there is something in the swamp they call the country people call it a ball.
One of the men, come and show you one of the men.
They had to root out the net pantry.
That man lying there.
That one is there. That one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That is difficult to teach them anyway.
Okay.
Very, very hard.
Yeah.
So now they want to take something that 35 minutes or 40 minutes, but they want to go close to hour.
Okay.
They have to find a new
Yeah, they want it.
and get it up. They want us small. The real one is behind it.
You dig All around, you cut all the primary roots.
So as you are saying, and see, Lucky,
So,
you see all
here,
those.
there where the power source will come
Yeah, when
to
cross.
cross
Yeah, now
cross.
you know they do this. We need a saw to do the cross cutting, then they will do the clearing. While we are doing the de-stumping, the saw will be behind us doing the cross cutting. As soon as they finish, they'll start to clear the agriculture nursery, the debris. They'll start to clear the debris. Then from there now.
So we can do this. I think from my experience, I think I can spend another 2 weeks.
It's smart.
That's why we're anticipating. That's why we're anticipating. With the support for the operational manager.
The full support.
The full support.
Regional manager.
Because the boys need to be in Zico.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When the workers are in Zico, they can throw one of the things that you can't even know. Especially when the party,
Yeah, I
the
wanna
parties
be-
were on him.
I'll be very thankful to honorable police manager. He not just police manager for nothing. Yeah. Our hands always there.
You gotta have been it.
Yeah, you got the ability to be a police manager. Okay, can't see one of the giants. You see that other man, you see it appears small. See one man laughing. The guy with that easy.
So, Lofty, I think yesterday we were having some conversation yesterday. But for me, I always like to be clear when I'm doing something. You see, when it comes about the song work, it's difficult, very difficult. I can do it, but not song work because I've been in a field. Then also I know how intensive it is. So these all of those stuff, it's not small time. Yeah. So that's why they said 2 weeks from now on, by the grace of God, I think we'll be able to, complete this place. Yeah. It's very more intensive to dig. The few pinta level, how everything goes. Because the first time we enter here, the pasties were here, you can see people, you see men dancing.
No, you know, any work like this, those balls, they need to be in zoo. Yeah.
Our own managerial skills so that the boys can work. So that we all can work.
So it means that so my pasty above my heart that I want to finish using this one. Oh. Oh. All right.
So we, like you said, here myself did a calculation, looking at the first week done, looking at the system he put it into place. We get about 2 more weeks to complete this place. So we target this place to be from the one day when it comes to the de-stumping, that one we can call it no phone. No phone job that we also, because we feel it like for us, we don't let the poor workers under the pretend old gentlemen we can manage it the way now how we can tell you it's strict. The way you come in to do not play job. You have to do it and you have to do it with all your strength. Everything you have to put it there. So if we can't, you yourself get a shovel, then you see your brother with a shovel to digging, you will not sit down. And the type of spirit we have, we've been working together, that's the type of spirit we have. We don't let them sit when workers working. Because when we sit, they will hold the shovel that day. They be standing that day. While few people working, then they will go to that man here, my man, that rest is small. Then they hold it too. They be doing. So that what they can do. So we know that secret about workers. So I was saying when we get.
No, it's true I'm going.
That's one.
So-
So here's the problem. This is what I discussed with that and came out with that in the conclusion. And I told the manager, I told the supervisor. Now this work is hectic. It's a huge work. So for us to just do the whole brushing one time, it come by, so I told him, but when we do this, I just do it, bit by bit. This one, you can get about 30 to 50, 30 to 35 something, blocks from this place. All depends on the measurement. Now, if that is done, we move to the next step. Just like that. Because, the way he's spending the way he's spending the money now.
Yeah, because
then,
people have different things. They got almost different sections.
Yeah.
How to depend on the crops.
On the
like,
crops,
Mhm.
yeah. So like here now, if this place is laid out, and he see the rest growing, then we tell him that we want to cover this same place. This is the budget to cover this place. Because before that time, we will tell him this place will cover maybe hectare or 2 acres. It will be listed. Then he will be in the know that this portion of land I spent this amount of money. So when we're talking now, we say, oh, that we want to do maybe 2 hectares. Looking at the strength, say no, the seed size that you cover, you cover that seed size, then we pick up from there in the come. So that how we doing the work. But first we could just sit and just do the measurement, just call say, oh, the area that maybe 1.5 hectares or 2 acres of land, we finish something, so then you just send the money, we'll be with that working. But we have to do all these things, clear it off from the field. Because when you measure the field now, and you clear all the things you measure, it will not be the same. It will never be the same. So measurement is not always exact. I can measure, you can't measure, you're not giving the same. So that when people say, oh, I went behind the man lied, and they all got there. I say, the way you measure the play, ask the man at the same pattern he has. So you get your jumbo say, no, the man on measurement different from your own. Because when you follow the definition of measurement is never true. Yeah.
So it will not be that huge. The margin will be less than 5%. Not more than 5%.
So this is the work. Our hand is on the job that we say we came here to do something so people can know. Because when we came here for I'm not laughing, it's not very easy to get workers. We have to come together, put plans together, and I had to jump out there and take inside the get no boss he saw in the town. I got them from Kakatan. They've been working with me before. So I want to tell them, so, but I read it's supposed to be in Gamu. But I have to tell them that the project in Gamu is on a standstill. So I want for you to go with me, so we can work on Gamu project, open your will go. And I have brought them. So then the people that were refusing now to come, when they saw the guys working now, they too started coming because some of the strategy in the work. When you go first, you engage them. Sometimes because certain management they can say, we're not working there. But when they see you bring people on and the people go and sit down with them and say, yeah, our government and who all go. If that day you go to somebody will come and say, oh, Chi, I want wear not easy on me. Then you will incorporate and just that. So since they came, they too started holding other people. Therefore, our nursery now, all our workers will get from the nursery from the town. Because we told them we can't jump over you people to go and get people up. So all of them now, they get the notion that that nursery work and other work here that they are farm. They making farm this year. Yeah. So they say that if I can buy a bag of rent maybe for $3,000, then within 14 days, I get something like 4,200. And my husband and myself working that good money. So we're not making farm. So that's why you see most of the area not brush around here. So they are already here working. And other people are grabbing an idea now. They say, oh, but the main farm said that for nothing. So, but the only thing that the thing now, the way you're not council, we hope that you're not just coming. So you're planning your cocoa, you're having your food, where you go. Just that I thought now the other we can tell them, say, no, we're here to continue the process, but we want us to work together. So how the work going on. So for me now on the farm, I need operation farm. Yeah, I need operation farm to make sure that the next time you come here, you see differences.
And also just be accountable.
Yeah. Yeah, I will not put in my pocket and go drink. So I can even drink that the first thing.
Yeah. They made I met the people. So we taking it from the end there to go up.
Yeah, we just say good.
Yeah, but now there's they made no road here. We are clear, right? Yeah, you're not clear here to go.
See, there's a small hill to clean out. Saggy? You know what I mean?